The mid-size Techster series of surface grinders are built to deliver consistent repeatability on larger projects. They feature high rigidity beds with low centers of gravity and table support without overhang, so you can handle heavy, high-accuracy grinding with ease. The mid-size series consists of the Techster 84, 104, and 126 grinders. Ball screws are used for all axes on the machine, which reduces noise, increases precision, decreases environmental loads, and allows for more grinding methods such as crown grinding. Featuring state-of-the-art FANUC controls, reliability is assured. The control features include 2-axis simultaneous control, support for Meister operating system including all CAN cycles and G-code programming, multiple workpiece cycles, automatic dressing, creep feed grinding, and easy menu-style programming. The high-precision structure of the machine has increased mass to enhance rigidity, grinding precision, and finish. The C-type column reduces overhang on the wheel head, and the VV sideways provide accurate and straight motion. During grinding, the various cycles allow for automatic dressing between rough and finished grinds and automatically tracks and compensates for wheel wear. There are many choices available for dressers, and each dresser style has an automatic dressing cycle. Complex grinding motions are also possible with the Techster series of grinders. Crown grinding, either curved or tapered, are possible due to the ball screw drive system and the 2-axis simultaneous control. Storage for manuals and other items is provided on the control panel. Convenient access to the lube pump is provided through easy access doors. The coolant system is easily accessible for easy monitoring and service. Some of the available options include trunnion and rotary axis for multi-slide processing, inspection probe for size measurement, quick change wheel clamping system, and programmable coolant nozzle to ensure efficient grinding. Automatic part loading and unloading to enhance productivity. Rotary dresser and NC profile dresser for dressing highly intricate wheel forms. Other options are available as well. Here are a few examples of parts ground on Amada grinders. The mid-size Techster series offer high precision, high speed, high accuracy, ease of use, and an exceptional amount of capability. The Techster series of grinders are another example of Amada's innovation, engineering, and technology that promote higher capabilities in CNC grinding. If your product demands high precision grinding with incredible repeatability, contact Amada Machine Tools America to discuss your application with one of our sales engineers.